Can you use magical liquid as a substitute for clear glue? That is a question that I get asked pretty much on the daily. So we're going to give it a go and see what happens. I'm using a 24-ounce double-walled acrylic Snowglobe tumbler. It's what I usually use. I'm using distilled water. This is the magic solution from Crafty Drunken Planet. She is linked in my link tree if you would like to get hold of this. You can also use my code to save some pennies, but this stuff is the equivalent of the Elmer's magical liquid. So what I'm going to do is use a standard distilled water and clear glue Snowglobe tumbler ratio. So for example, 3 parts distilled water to 1 part clear glue. That's quite a common Snowglobe solution. So we're going to replace the clear glue with this. So we're going to do 3 parts of the distilled water and 1 part of this magical solution. So I'm just mixing until this is completely clear. So I'm going to use this on this snow globe. So given all these super cute pastel colours, these are the glitters that I'm going to put inside the snow globe. These glitters are all available from my shop. You can find it linked in my link tree. They are all chunky mixes, which means they have chunky, fine and ultra fine all in one mix, which makes them perfect for snow globes. This one is called Pretty in Pink. This one is brand new, so keep your eyes peeled. This is called That's My Sash. There is the tiniest little bit of that left. This one is called Ladere. This was actually in the February Sparkle subscription. This one is called Maison Macaron, another one that was in the February Sparkle subscription. And this one is called Parma Violet, also from the February Sparkle subscription. Right, let's get the rest of the solution in. Okay, so she is completely full, so I'm going to give this one last shake up and see how it's looking. So before I give you the results of this, I'm going to give you my opinion. In all honesty, it genuinely surprises me that I am asked about this as frequently as I am. And the reason it surprises me is this magic solution, in comparison to a like-for-like size bottle of clear glue, is not cheap. And that is because it is not designed to replace glue. It has its own purpose. It actually says on the bottle here, magic solution, slime activator and colourful swirl effect. The slime activator bit is essentially the same. That is the Elmer's magical solution dupe. That's the bit that will give you the suspended snow globe solution, the suspended look where the glitter does not move. The other side of it is the colourful swirl effect, which is a similar thing whereby you syringe in little bits of this at a time. I've actually just put a video on you know where about this, where you syringe in individual colours one at a time and it creates that swirly colourful look. That is what this is for. It is not designed to do the same job as clear glue. And because it is so difficult to get hold of and so highly sought after, it comes with a price tag. And so in my humble opinion, I cannot fathom for 1 minute why you could be getting a really cheapo bottle of clear glue to do a brilliant job but would want to substitute it with this. So that would be my opinion on whether to substitute clear glue with magical liquid. It would be a flat no, just buy some clear glue. However, we were doing an experiment today, so the results of the experiment are what you shall see. As you can see, the first thing, look at the ginormous gap. I don't even know if you'll be able to see that. The ginormous gap that we are left with, because the minute I shook this up, the air was freed from the magical solution distilled water mixture and created this humongous gap. So obviously after degassing, it would need to be topped up. But for the purpose of the experiment, just to show you what the flow looks like, this is what we have got. In my opinion, this is not suspended. I can see it moving. That big gap I was telling you about has now obviously moved, made its way to the top of the tumbler. So it is moving, but it is very slow. But nonetheless, it's very pretty. Here it is the other way around, just to give you a little look closer up. There's that big gap. It's huge. As you can see, half the tumbler, it feels like it's empty. So thank you for joining today's episode of How to Try Something Else So You Don't Have To. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and please consider following along. I make videos like this all the time and I would love to have you. And happy sparkling!